So I've been using this platform to build funnels for my agency for some time, and I wanted to finally go through it and create an overview of it, okay? So this is by far the best AI funnel builder, not just because it's a funnel builder, but because you pretty much have all different features in one platform. It's called Go High Level, and yeah, let's just get started with this overview. Now, if you really want to try out all of the other features that Go High Level really has, you can check out our YouTube channel for more videos like this around Go High Level, or you can check out a non-obligatory 30-day free trial link down below in the description, okay? So let's get right into it. So as I said, a lot of features that Go High Level offers, but we want to go into our sub account. So Go High Level has a sub account, so each sub account has its own feature set. So let's say this is like a client 1, this is client 2. We can switch to our sub account here because this first sub account is my main one. We can go here to marketing, or actually not marketing, but sites, because we're doing funnels. And as you can see here, we have already a couple of funnels like Abar Dealer, real estate agency. So the best part is that you can build any a funnel with AI. So if we go here and create new funnel, we have funnel AI. We can start from blank. We can start from templates. Let me just briefly show you the templates. So as you can see, you have like a lot of different templates. Like if you're working with consulting, coaching, real estate, chiropractors, here, transform your graphic design business, like coaching, fitness coaching as well. Like you have a lot of different templates that you can choose, and you can choose a template. You can preview it here as well. Like if you click preview, you would be able to go here and, test it out. Most of these, and this is by far the best thing, most of these funnels are already pre-optimized for selling, which means they will be pre-optimized. So let's go new funnel AI, and we can hit continue. And as you can see here, we can say name of the business. We can say PC Chiropractic Clinic. Let's say something like this. And then as you can see, we can just select the industry. Let me actually select an industry. For example, we can say something like, maybe like coaching, life coach. Okay, let's go with life coaching. So let's do like this, FYD life coaching. That's the name of the business, and then the industry is this. And by the way, with our link below, you can get 5 free funnel generations. After that, you will need to pay $1 after 5 free generations. And even in paid plan, you also have 5 free funnel generations, and then you need to pay like $1 per generation, which is really nothing. So let's hit next. Here, I'm looking for my funnel for my life coaching business to generate more leads. Now here, based on what you set, it will give you pre-optimized website, or in this case, funnel. So if we want more appointments, it will integrate with Calendly, with Google Calendar, stuff like that. If you want to showcase your services, that will be different. If you want to generate more leads, which is usually a lead funnel, then we can go with this one. And content should feel, here we can say persuasive, because we want this to be persuasive, okay? Let's hit generate. Now we will need to wait for like a minute or so, and then from there we'll have the funnel with our pages right here, as you can see. So let's wait for that right here. Now, as you can see, this is when it's done. This is how it's going to look like. So you will have also the editor, the option to edit all of your specific things on the website. Keep in mind, although, yeah, sometimes the funnel will look ugly, it doesn't mean that it won't convert, okay? I mean, that's always the thing that I was kind of thinking about when doing marketing, especially for like businesses. Most of the time, ugly funnels work really well. So just make sure you know this, okay? So obviously here you can click on each element, and let's say we want to, bold this, we can bold this. We can also change the font to, let's say, Poppins, to make it more appealing. Now, one thing also, if you go here for typography, you can actually change the headline fonts and the content font, okay? So let's say we change it to Roboto. All fonts on the website will be Roboto, okay? Obviously right here, you will need to change like a headlines fonts and stuff like that, and then hit save. Then once you hit save, you would be able to check it out here. Okay. Also here you have SEO metadata. So let me kind of break down these. So you have like layers. So these are all the pages, and you can go to header, and then as you can see, you have first column navigation menu, second column button, which is button, and then you have hero banner, stuff like that. You can change here pages. You can go here. Obviously, it's only one page here. Tracking code. This is where your pixel goes and your footer tracking. You can also put in footer. Custom CSS. You can add custom CSS if you want. Typography. You can change the typography on the entire page. Background. You can change the image URL or background. I don't really mess around with this. Pop-up settings. So here is a pop-up when someone scrolls, and you can add a form to that pop-up. I will show you how you can add a form as well. But this is only like for now because we don't have any forms. We can go here and we can select the form. As you can see, we have one form here, but then this is how it's going to look like. Okay. Obviously, you need to adjust the form, but for now, let's go back. SEO metadata, obviously for SEO is really important. You fill this in. So fill the title, keywords, author, and stuff like that. Obviously, custom codes, this is something else. Cookie consent, you can enable cookie consent here. If you want, this is how it's going to look like. Layout, top banner, bottom banner, left floating. This one is quite good. Also, this one is not that bad either. Okay. And then obviously you can change stuff around here like mobile app. You can check this out as well. It looks really cool. And then obviously we can publish this. If we publish this, we can publish it to a domain. I will now show you how you can actually go to the form and add a form to your pop-up, and also how you can add a domain, which is really important. So let's go back here. And what we want to do here is you have forms and you have form builder, okay? And in form builder, you can build a form for the pop-up. So here, if you go from template, let's say, and you can choose a template. So let's say we can choose this template or this one, or let's say, for leads, we can, go with like real estate lead consulting, whatever we can go here and we can choose a template. This template will be added to our backend, okay? And as you can see, it will lead us to that specific template. So this is how the template looks like. Now, obviously, you can go here. You can change this up. You can also change the settings of it, like on submit, where it goes, Facebook pixel events, submissions. You can see submissions, edit. Here you can add multiple different like addresses. It's very simple. We will create a whole tutorial on this one, but you just hit save. I'll right now go back. I'll not save it because I already have it. But essentially, once you're done, you can go back to your funnels here. And in funnels, the way I showed you, you can change your form on a pop-up, okay? Now, another thing that is really important is if you go settings, and let me go here to phone numbers, no phone numbers, but let me go to domains. So you need to add your own domain. You can purchase a domain here, or you can just connect your domain. If you connect your domain, you can connect it from WordPress, from Client Portal, from email if you want, or to the email. You can also purchase a domain here. You can just enter your domain and purchase it right in. You can also transfer your domain in, and then once you transfer it, you can go back to your funnels, and then in here, as you can see, you have edit. So when you go to edit funnels, here you can edit multiple different steps of the funnels. Plus, if you want, you can edit the funnel itself, the page of the funnel. So you can go edit. And this will lead us back to this page right here, as you can see. And then here, obviously, this is just an example funnel. Here, as I said, you can go, and if you go to pop-up settings, here's the pop-up. And as you can see here, you can change the pop-up form. Click on here, and then here is the form. Okay, you put like test one, let's say. Okay, this is the form. You can also add multiple different like payment options and stuff like that. And then once you hit publish, you can select your domain. Now here you can purchase domain or connect domain as well if you cannot find it. But yeah, it's pretty much the way to go. Okay, now if you want to test out all of these plus like thousands of different features on Go High Level, pretty much you have like a lot of different features. You can try it out with our non-obligatory 30-day free trial, link in the description. So other than that, we'll see you guys in the next video, and hopefully you find this useful. And yeah, we'll see you on the channel.